day. Every morning is a new opportunity to do things you missed yesterday. அன்பினும் ஆர்வம் உடைமை அதிலும் நண்பேனும் நாடா சிறப்பு.
Today's news. National news. Chennai to get India's biggest urban park. Tamil Nadu government plans 118 acre rupees 4,832 crore project with 25 facilities. Educational news. Haryana CM full scholarship for SC or OBC medical and engineering students. Sports news. India achieved historic first in 93 years, registered rarest of rare feet as Rishabh and Co.